Debra here, Bandit down there. We are leaving the Quartzsite area. They have been there all winter. I have never been there until April. I've always left like February or so, but it has been so cool. As in temperature wise, this morning it was 39 degrees. Just unbelievable. Usually by now it's even approaching triple digits. So not sure what's going on with the Quartzsite weather, but sure have enjoyed the cool temperatures and being with our friends. It was so hard to say goodbye. Jana is traveling behind me, Frugal RV Gal, and both of us cried as we said goodbye to our friends. And if y'all are watching this, just know that you are severely missed, and we'll show you what we're up to next. So when I got up this morning, I had some bagels, and I had bought me some cream cheese and fresh strawberries. And so I toasted my bagels and that's what I had for breakfast before we got on the road. And I'm so grateful that Phoenix is running well, and grateful for all the work that I got done on her this winter. And thanks again to my friend Ronnie. And I'm looking in my monitor at my hitch-all, and it isn't bouncing at all between him welding the hitch-all back on when it fell off and then welding the bumper back on. Check those videos out. If you haven't seen them already, they're in the pinned comment and video description. But she's running great. Have new brake fluid in, and all of the filters replaced, and I take care of her because she takes care of me. I have a great home, and I'm so grateful. So wait till you see where we're having lunch and spending the night. So where we landed for the day is just a parking lot, but it's pretty awesome. The sun is setting, and it's just a one-night stop, and it is Umberto's Mexican food restaurant in, oh my goodness, Gila Bend, Arizona. We didn't go too far down the road, taking it nice and slow, and looking forward to a great summer from here, and missing our friends terribly. We had one last get together before we left, and it was a Taquito Fiesta. Jana fixed over like 100 tacos that Leslie taquitos on her Blackstone that was gifted her by Rob, and Leslie provided the taquitos, and a few people brought some other meals, and it was just a lovely time. I had to wear my headset and I'm gonna have to sleep with earplugs in tonight because you can tell we're right on the road, but it's okay. It's a one-night hop, and that's what you do sometimes when you're traveling. And Umberto's is not a part of Harvest Host yet, but we told them about it because they do allow, obviously, overnight parking here.